হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ড, ওয়েলকাম মাই চ্যানেল। স্বাগতম আমার চ্যানেল। আমি রবীন মুখার্জি, সিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং পাস আউট 1986, work experience above 30 years. Daily I discuss civil engineering execution activities, project and plan related. Today I discuss Modular Construction India, what's new in 2026. Now I discuss Modular Construction India, what's new in 2026. In 2026, modular construction in India has shifted from an alternative solution to a cornerstone of the national infrastructure strategy. With the construction market projected to reach $1.4 trillion this year, the industry is leveraging modularity to bridge the massive housing gap and meet aggressive timelines for high-tech sectors. Plus one. Here is what is new and trending in 2026. Number one, the data center and logistics boom. Modular construction has become the standard for India's digital and supply chain infrastructure. Hyperscale data centers. Cities like Bengaluru and Mumbai are using modular halls and utility blocks to meet a 65% jump in data center power demand. Modular builds allow these facilities to give life 30 to 50% faster than traditional builds. Logistics parks. With the expansion of Make in India, prefabricated steel buildings, PEBs, are the backbone of new warehousing hubs, allowing for rapid assembly and easy future expansion. Number two, high-tech integration, BIM and AI. By 2026, virtual construction has become a mandatory prerequisite for major modular projects. 5D BIM, building information modeling, beyond 3D models. Builders now integrate time 4D and cost 5D data. This allows for millimeter level precision in factories before any component reaches the site. AI powered project management. AI is now used to predict supply chain delays and optimize the factory to field logistics, which has historically been a bottleneck in India. Number three, policy and economic shifts. The Union Budget 2026-27 introduced several catalysts for the sector. Infrastructure Risk Guarantee Fund, a new fund designed to boost private developer confidence by providing credit guarantees for large-scale construction projects. Container Manufacturing Scheme, a rupees 10,000 crore allocation aimed at creating a globally competitive ecosystem for container-based modular units. Container Manufacturing Scheme, a rupees 10,000 crore allocation aimed at creating a globally competitive ecosystem for container-based modular units. ESG mandates, new stock exchange rules and the Energy Conservation Building Code ECBC now favor modular system due to their 15 to 20% reduction in material waste and superior thermal insulation. Number 4, 3D printing and robotics on site. While modular construction focuses on off-site work, 2026 is seeing a hybrid approach. 3D printed shells. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana PMAY is increasingly using 3D construction printing for affordable housing, printing entire house shells in days. Robotic assembly. Specialized robots are being deployed on site for repetitive tasks like rebar tying and bricklaying, working roughly 1.5 times faster than manual labor. Number 5, emerging players to watch. Emerging players to watch. While giants like L&T, Larsen and Toubro, and Tata Projects dominate complex infrastructure, several startups and specialized firms are gaining ground. Inter-arch building products, a leader in PEB steel structures for giants like Amazon and Tata. EPAC Prefab, focused on industrial and institutional modular solution. Walls and Dreams, emerging as a top trusted brand for tech integrated residential and commercial builds. Key events in 2026. Event date location. Event India Prefab Expo 2026. India Prefab Expo 2026. Date August 28 to 30, 2026. August 28 to 30, 2026. Location Jashabhumi IIC, New Delhi. Jashabhumi IIC, New Delhi. Event World of Modular. World of Modular. Date Annual 2026. Annual 2026. Location Global oblique India Focus. Global oblique India Focus. Would you like me to find specific cost per square foot estimated for modular residential projects in India for 2026? Just tell me. Would you like me to find specific cost per square foot estimates for modular residential projects in India for 2026? Just tell me. Next video I discuss UPSC ESE 2026 civil means what top scorers do differently. Next video I discuss UPSC ESE 2026 civil means what top scorers do differently. Now I end my video. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. সবাইকে একটা রিকোয়েস্ট করবো, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না। পুরো ভিডিও দেখবেন, দেখলে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন, শিখতে পারবেন। বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করবেন যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার্স এই ভিডিও থেকে উপকৃত হয়। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। নোটিফিকেশন বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনার কাছে নোটিফিকেশন পৌঁছে যাবে। নোটিফিকেশন বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনার কাছে নোটিফিকেশন পৌঁছে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।